Today I'm going to remove the front seat of this vehicle. This is a stock seat of the Mitsubishi FTO, which can be fitted on this Mitsubishi Lancer. These are the mounting points of the seat. Every front seat has always 4 mounting points. Use a 14mm socket to remove all nuts. Use a breaker bar or a ratchet to loosen all nuts. This one is a bit hard to access. Use a 14mm wrench to loosen it. Then, take the seat away. On some vehicles, they may have wires underneath for the seatbelt sensor, so always check that first before taking the seat away. Do the same thing on the other side. But this time, I decided to remove the center console to make things a lot easier, which will be uploaded on another video. Thank you very much for watching.